everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my Glossybox October beauty box unboxing. So this one is a really nice box and I'm excited to share it all with you. So let's go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so this month there's two different box designs. There's one that says The Truth on it and the other one that says The Secret. So I've got that one which says The Secret, which is black with this red masquerade mask on the front here which says Magical Masquerade. This is what it looks like inside. So this is the mask right here, and as you can see we don't have any ties in it because I believe we'll use this little ribbon which comes in like which wraps all the products inside up, so I believe we just use that, and I'll try that on near the end. But first of all, we get this little magazine here which tells all about the products that are inside and how much each of them are worth. There's 5 products inside this month's box. There's a mixture of makeup and skincare, and we've got some full size and some deluxe sizes. And the sneak peek for November's box is actually quite a good product. It's from Elf. It's one of their bite-sized eyeshadows, so it's like one of those little 4 quad things, and it's in the shade Berry Bad. That looks really good. I haven't tried one of those little palettes from Elf yet, so I'm excited for that. There's also this little card in the box which is to do with the perfumes that were in last month. So I missed doing my unboxing the past few months there, but I did receive them, and I received these little perfumes which are actually quite nice. So this is like a little card where you can get 25% off your first purchase of the Judith Lieber fragrances. So I'll take the ribbon off for my mask, which I'll put on in a minute. The first thing we get inside the box is this setting spray from St. Lux. I can't smell it, but that's what the bottle looks like right there. It says this lightweight setting mist is perfect for giving your makeup a glowy finish. Not only is this spray formulated to allow you to achieve flawless makeup, it's also great for your skin too. Ingredients such as purslane and hyaluronic acid help accelerate the healing of damaged skin, lock in moisture and instantly hydrate the skin as well. So it's quite a wide, fine mist. It has quite a fresh scent to it, really fine on the face, which is nice. I feel like it's given a little bit of a glow, if you can see. Let me just add a wee drop more. I feel like it has given me a glow. I can definitely see it in my mirror here, like it's definitely glowy around these areas, which is nice. So yeah, so far I'm liking this, and this is a full size product worth £18. Next thing inside is this Anatomical Boob Tube Grab Your Melons body lotion. I'm going to open it and give it a smell for you. Oh, it smells nice, really nice and fresh and fruity, very fruity. It obviously has like a melon scent in it. Probably because it says grab your melons in it, so I assume they'll probably put like a melon scent in it. It says in the back here that it's got watermelon in it, and it says it's not only a skin saver but it's also a lifesaver to support copper feel. So to encourage the regular checking of your chest, not just during breast cancer month, for like ever, Anatomicals have teamed up with Glossybox to bring you this one-off watermelon body lotion. So of course while you're using this, it's obviously getting you to check like your chest and everything like that as well, which is a really great idea. So I am loving this. I'm excited to use this more, and yeah, it's a 50 ml, which I believe will be, let me just see, that's a deluxe mini, so it's a deluxe size, sorry, of £1, and the full size is £4. Next thing in the box is this highlight pencil from Ico. It's in the shade Champagne. You use this to highlight your brow bone, like your brow arch, just right here. It's in a gold champagne shade, formulated with jojoba oil, which is easy to blend, and your brows will look their best for up to 8 hours. And you can also use it in your inner corners as well to brighten up your eyes. That's the shade there. That's quite a nice shade. I like that. Yeah, and that is a full size, which is worth £15. Next thing we get is this hand spray from Espa. This is their eucalyptus and tea tree cleansing hand spray. So a hand spray, this spray onto dry hands and rub all over the fingers, palms and backs of the hands. So it's kind of like a spray on hand cream. So I'm going to try this out. Okay, so that feels good and it dries really quickly, which is good because I hate greasy feeling things on my hands. So let me just spray some more on both sides. It's very, very strong in tea tree. Oh, very strong in tea tree, but it's nice. And that's a deluxe size worth £8. Next thing inside the box is this liquid lipstick from Josephine. So this is a new brand to me. That's the packaging, really, really nice. It reminds me of Illamasqua actually, and it's in the shade Tippany, I'm not sure how you say that, but it is a red shade as you can see. So let me swatch it for you. It's a classic red shade, like quite a bright red shade. That'll be great to go alongside this mask. It's a velvety matte liquid lip colour and it's enriched with show-stopping pigments. This deep red shade is all you need to be bold. It's got a blend of high impact natural ingredients of olive, coconut and argan oils as well as vitamin E, and it has a super moisturising texture. And it is worth £21.80 and it's a full size product. This is a liquid lip on and as you can see it's a very, very deep red shade. Like red is not my shade, but like this is nice. It's nice for a change. It is a deep kind of red shade and this is a mask on and as you can see they really go well together. Like, yeah, I really need a lip liner right now for this liquid lipstick because yeah, like the edges are not perfect there, but I don't have one on me, so I've just put it on like this just now, but it definitely needs a red lip liner. And yeah, that is it for this unboxing. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you're interested in the Glossybox monthly beauty box, I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please get a big thumbs up if you liked and enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video.